guys, so I just got back from my colleague's house. My friend, she made me Senegalese dish, and I can't wait to show you guys and test it. OMG, this looks so good already. Whoa. She said this is called YASSA rice, I think. YASSA, but anyway, I'm going to ask her to tell me the name again so I can tell you guys. So right now I'm gonna taste it, and let you guys know how. I think this is a basmati rice because it's gummy, and I love the way she designed the eggs. Can you see? It's so beautiful. I'm gonna take egg and a little bit of cucumber. Wow, this is beautiful. Tomato and carrots. Brava fatu. Okay, so let me not exaggerate. Let me take a little portion to taste it. If I like it, then before we go for the bigger portion. All right, to my sauce. I think this is with onions. Smells good already. I'm gonna put it by this side because I don't know if it's hot or not. Then take a little bit of olive too. I really love this. Like, it's about vegetables and you know. Okay, then I'm gonna go with the polo. Kim, you can serve yourself. I have my daughter here that wants to. She likes trying new stuffs like me. So yeah, and that's it. All right guys, I'll keep you posted. Okay, so guys, time for testing. I'm gonna go in with the sauce, mix it with a little bit of rice. It's the same thing, just the way you use your Nigerian sauce to eat rice. And okay, Bono. It's actually sweet though.
Very sweet.
Oh, Kim really like it. My daughter that is always, you know, skeptical, she loves it. And me too. Bono. Wow, this is really nice. My fellow tester, you like it?
Yeah.
Give a thumbs up since I cannot show your face. Oh my guys, this thing is so good. This is my second portion. Time to go in with the chicken. The chicken is so sweet, well seasoned. Oh, I didn't know I would like it too, honestly. But the thing about me, I love to try new recipe. I love eating different African food. In fact, that's a good for me. This is so good. Kimmy, you like? Wow. I'm really gonna give this a thumbs up. So let me relax and finish the second portion. All right guys, I'll be back in a jiffy. Okay guys, that will be all, and that's it for today. The end shows you that the food was good, and yeah, madam. All right, I enjoyed this food, and once again, it's called Senegalese YASSA, and I'm gonna give you a thumbs up and subscribe. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Till I come your way again next time.
Bye.
Bye guys.